Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the mechanical key and placing the fob on a clean surface. This prevents parts from popping away. Use a small flathead or plastic pry at the seam where the key came out and gently twist to open the shell without bending plastic. Once the halves separate, make sure to note the old CR 2032 orientation. That tells you plus versus minus contact points. You do this now so you don't insert the new battery backwards and avoid shorting contacts. You lift the old CR 2032 using a plastic pry or fingernail. Metal tools can short the cell or bend clips. Once out, inspect the spring and contact pads for corrosion or debris and clean with isopropyl on a cotton swab if needed, because dirty contacts cause intermittent function. Now place the new CR 2032 in the same orientation as the old one. Press it into its clip until it's seated and doesn't rock. Make sure clips make firm contact so the fob will transmit reliably. You align the two case halves and press them together until the clips snap. Do not force if something feels misaligned. Open and check placement. Once sealed, slide the mechanical key back in and stand near the vehicle to test lock, unlock, and panic functions. This verifies both battery and transmitter. If the fob doesn't work, make sure the CR 2032 is seated positive side up and that contacts are clean. Reseat or replace the battery if necessary. A misaligned clip can stop contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.